Hey, this is Todd Burnham. Today I'm going to talk about divorce strategies in Colorado. So in the beginning, I want you to understand what we're looking at. It's like the top 5 things that I think of, okay? It's the 30,000 foot view. And when I think of all of the different strategies in every single case, these 5 pop up. Now, you're going to have different ones that are really specific to your case, or if there's emergency protection orders or things like that, right? But I'm going to give you the top 5. First one, get organized and mentally prepared, right? We'll go into that a little bit. Know your financials better than anyone else. That's number 2. Number 3, own your bad facts. Bad facts are part of any case, right? Don't minimize them, own them. Number 4, and this isn't self-serving. This is just a fact. Hire the right lawyer. If you can't afford a lawyer, then that's fine. And this should help you. But otherwise, you want to hire the right lawyer, not just any lawyer. And the 5th thing I think that is overlooked so often is that you got to get some support. That's either therapy or online groups, Facebook groups, things like that. So first things first, get organized and mentally prepared. This might surprise you, but I'm a big fan of meditation. And so I might not look it and I might not sound it, but it helps, So for me, mental preparation means mental toughness. It's not just being mentally prepared, like, I'm going to go through this. No, you're going to go through this. This is a transformative experience for you. And the more that you get your mind right about this, the better, all right? People either go up or they go down when there's a life-changing event. You're going to go up. And the first thing I want you to think about is really understanding and getting involved in meditation. Might seem a little bit off, but I believe it. Number 2, know your financials cold. Don't come into your lawyer's office with a banker's box full of documents. You're wasting time, you're wasting money, and you're allowing yet another third party to know your financials, which you should know yourself, all right? So bank accounts, pensions, 401ks, property, including the mortgages, car payments, student loans. How much does your spouse make per year? How much do you make per year? How are you paid? Things like that are critical. All right. It's the more cases are lost that I see because the lawyer didn't own the sworn financial statement that's required, didn't own the case and the knowledge of the case, and the client didn't hold the lawyer accountable. When you're talking about bad facts, number 3, anything can be a bad fact. Everyone has bad facts of their case. It's ownership of the bad facts, which is the most important thing. You have an alcohol problem, you're going into therapy, right? You're going to rehab, you're in AA. You have DUIs. Yep, but now through SoberLink, I have proof that I'm no longer drinking. So this is lemonade making at its finest. And if you don't make the lemonade, you're just going to be stuck with the lemons, all right? Own your bad facts. Hire the right lawyer. Don't hire someone that you think is going to be the most aggressive. Hire the lawyer that's going to be the most successful, right? Know the goals of your case. Understand that you don't want unreasonable expectations. If the party on the other side is a good parent, then chances are that party's going to have parenting time, right? Don't spend so much time getting emotionally involved with your lawyer, or don't hire lawyers that are too emotionally invested in the case. As a divorce lawyer, my job is to make sure that you're successful. Not just now, but in the future. You're going to look back in a year from now and say, that was the best decision I made at the worst time of my life, right? So do your homework, interview 3 lawyers, look at their websites, do all the things that make you feel comfortable, and then go with your gut. Understand this, go with your gut. Your intuition is not going to fail you. Don't go with your fear. Don't go with lawyers that are selling fear. That's not the answer, all right? And number 5, get support and, own therapy. Get into some divorce counseling. If not, go to Facebook groups. We have a Facebook group called Effective Co-Parenting in Colorado. It's Burnham Law. We just have a bunch of videos that help people throughout the process. In there's like 1,000 members. They interact and they communicate and they help one another. That's part of a community. If you can't afford therapy, there's plenty of things like that online that are going to help you. It's a tough process. It's not easy. It's necessary, and people will go through it in different ways. Be mentally tough, get the 30,000 foot view, and trust your instincts. Good luck.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And for more information, go to burnhamlaw.com.